I know that I don't have to tell anybody here in this room the important role that agriculture plays in creating jobs and prosperity and quality of life. And we at the University of Calgary are particularly proud that we're going to produce the vets crucial to that sector and excited to welcome those new students this year. But we couldn't welcome more students without a larger building.
Yeah, so this building, and have I mentioned that I'm super proud of this building? So this building is 73,000 square feet dedicated to student experience. And what we wanted was a building where students, staff, faculty like to be, a home away from home. So this is why we have a lot of light space. We have a lot of social learning space, in addition of our classic learning spaces.
Our classroom specifically has the back wall and a side wall that are all windows, so it's kind of nice to have some natural light. And that's been a huge benefit, and just the flexibility of the classroom. Like the tables we can move however we want. It's our classroom, we make it fit what works for us, which is quite neat and nothing I've ever experienced. So that's pretty impressive. And just the common areas that this building has that offers us the opportunity to mix and mingle with our second year and first year and our fourth year colleagues when they're on campus. So this building is pretty incredible, and I know when I first showed up I was like, holy moly, are we ever grateful to have this building and the opportunity to learn in it.
A big thank you to everyone who made that happen. We brought this building home on time and on budget, which is anyone who has ever built anything knows this is a challenge. And to bring home an ambitious project like this in just a little bit more than 3 years, that it takes a team, and I would like to thank everyone who has contributed for their help. And, you know, this is why we are here today, team effort.